Right, guys, as you're aware, 99% of traders won't even get a payout. That's 1% of all traders actually get to the stage of being profitable. But what I've found and what I've been using for the last few weeks is this indicator, which has an unreal success rate of 90% in the market. It's nice and simple. It's over on TradingView. Let me jump into it. Before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here we have it, guys. We're on TradingView. This is Pepe slash USDT on the crypto. This is the daily time frame, and very first is switch over to Heikin candles. Okay, so what you want to do is click on this arrow and then click down to Heikin. Okay, so once you've done that, it's all set up to go. You can see it's up here. It can be found in the invite only section, the signaler. Okay, but I'll show you exactly how you can get this. But what I want to do is just go over a long, a short, and exactly what to do in real time as well. Okay, so long is a buy. Nice and simple. When you get that alert, simply start your entry on the blue line and put your stop loss below onto this blue line below. Okay, now once you've done that, you can either target a 1 to 2, which I always like to do. It's nice and profitable and it keeps you in the market. Bang, 2 days later, smash through TP. Okay, let's look at a short. Same again. Once you get that alert, you simply put it on there. Stop loss has to go above. So this is a bit bigger of a stop loss this time round. So you potentially, you look at that and you could just target a 1 to 1 because the stop is a lot bigger. Okay, there we have it. That's a 1 to 1. Nice and successful, smashed straight into TP again. Okay, but what we want to do is look at real time. Okay, so if I show you this long in real time, if we head on over to this section, bearing in mind you've got to base this on, you're getting that alert straight to your phone. Once you've done that and you get this alert, I will show you exactly what you'll do. Okay, so we've got this signal on this time here. Basically, the same what I've done is telling us a long, which means we know we need to buy, which means we enter and then put our stop loss on the tip of the blue line because obviously nothing is left. And then the stop loss isn't too big, so I'm going to target a 1 to 2. Okay, now once you've done the 1 to 2, you simply wait and bang, what was that? 3 days? 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We've gone into profit. It is still going. So if you are a bit of a risk taker and you are a bit of the one that wants to go for those highs, then you can hold it and do your own judgment. Okay, now if this is something you're interested in, they do have a VIP signal group as well that you can grab as well with an absolute unreal success rate. Wait till I show you exactly what they are picking up on the weekly basis of doing it. You can either head on over to the website thesignaler.com with over 1,500 trusted members of 5 stars, and as we go down we can see that multiple people have done different publications on them. And as we scroll, it gives you the different features that you can get. AI powered trading signals, real-time signals, smart alerts, and results speaking for themselves as well. So these are the options. You can get 1 month for $45, 3 months of $109, 1 year at $395, or the lifetime bundle of $597. Right, here we are in the VIP signal group. This is how the signals will be. You can see it's got the coin, the direction, the stop limit entry, the take profit, stop loss, and leverage. Now this one here that we can see was on 5 p.m. and then 40 minutes later is 100%. Last price was 1.1091. Average open price was 1.155. So these are all very profitable. 294, 31.67, 92.35. And as you can see, 40, 41, they just continuously go. 229. There was a big Bitcoin one. Here we go. 200% on Bitcoin. Okay, now if you are looking at getting this or even the indicator that I was just showing you, all you have to do is head on and click over to this button. Link will be down in the description, or you can check out their website as well, which will be down below in the description. And here we have it. These are the prices. You get the indicator system or the VIP signal channel. You can buy one or the other, or which is what I did, is get the lifetime access bundle where you can get the indicator and the VIP channel list for $597 for lifetime access. Now once you're in this bot, you simply click start and it will give you multiple different options for you to choose from, whether you want to do the 1 day free trial into the VIP group or the indicator system or the signals. But definitely go for that lifetime bundle if you can, because it's only $597 and you get absolute access to everything for the rest of your life. Okay, now it gives you multiple different cryptos once you've clicked on that link. If you've got Doge, ETH, or even Bitcoin, we're going to go with Ethereum for this purpose of this video. Pay now. And then as you can see, it says Ethereum ERC20, gives you the contract address. Simply copy and paste into your wallet and send 0.2261. Now, once you've done that, you'll get a confirmation and it will be ready to go. But there we have it, guys. That was Signaler, Indicator, and VIP Signal Group. Let me know down in the comments your opinion and whether you think this would be beneficial for you. Me personally, it's changed my trading for the best. All I've got to do is wait for an alert to my phone, put in the trade, and then wait for it to hit my take profit. Click on that website link down below for the Signaler, run through it, and go into the Telegram to purchase your lifetime subscription. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.